Hello everyone. Good morning, my lovely children. Good morning and sweet, sweet morning. Welcome to MCGM online classes. Myself, Nisha Gala from yes, my lovely children. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Nisha Gala from Gundavali MPS, MCGM. Welcome to online MCGM class. So, in this morning, we just learn with fun. Okay, let's start all our slurping mood and something else, some learning moods. But if you want to learn properly, just wake up and watch. Remember the note Simon Says game. Yes, Simon Says. Okay, Simon says, show me your one nose. Hello. Simon says, show me your one nose. So show me your everyone in the screen, your one nose. Okay, Simon says, show me your 2 ears. So here we have 2 ears. Okay, just show me your 2 ears. Please, everyone, participate with teacher. Okay, Simon says, show me your 5 fingers. We have 5 fingers. Show me your 5 fingers. Everyone? Yes, very good. Show me your 10 fingers. Very good, Arpit. Show me your 10 fingers. Wow. Okay, Simon says, clap 3 times. 3 times. 1. Okay. Just we learned something new things. We learned the numbers from this. 1 nose, 2 ears, 5 fingers, 3 claps, everything. So all I have numbers. They have also place value. So today we are going to learn a place value of this number, how it's what we call their house or what we call their place value. Okay, so let's learn. Wait a minute. I want to show you something new things which you can learn very easily. Okay, I have some house of this each number. So I have some beads in my hands. You know, everyone, beads, we say moti in Hindi. आणि मराठीमध्ये पण मोतीच म्हणतात आणि in English we call English beads. I have some beads in my hands. Okay, I'm putting, this is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. I have 10 house. I'm putting one bead in first house. It's alone. Nobody is with him. It's alone. So he is in the one number house. So this place value called 1 unit. 1 bead means 1 bead called 1 unit. What is a unit? Unit means that is a alone number. Nobody is with him. He's staying alone. So this is the 1 unit. Okay. Now I'm putting another bead on the second house. Okay. So it's become 1 and 2. It's become two bits. So called 2 units. They both are alone. So alone means unit. Alone. So 2 units it's called. Now again, I'm putting third bead in the third house. What is the value of this? 1, 2, 3. It is called 3 units because they are alone. Nobody is with them. So it is called 3 units. Okay. Now I am putting fourth number bead in fourth house. Okay. So it is how many beads? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 beads called 4 units. Yes, it is called 4 units. Can you hear my voice clearly? Somebody please reply. Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Yes, thank you so much. So it is called 4 units. Now I'm putting my 5th beads on the 5th house. So it's become 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 beads. They are alone. There is their house. So it's called 5 units. What it's called?
Units.
Units. Now I am putting a 6 number beads on the 6th house. So it is called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are alone their house. It is called 6 units. What it's called? 6 units.
6 units.
Yes. Now I'm putting a 7 number beads on the 7th house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is called 7
units.
units. Very good. Yes. Now I'm putting another bead on another house. Now it's become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So it is an 8 beads called, what is the place value? It is 8 units.
8 units.
Yes. Now I'm putting another beads on this house. It's become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 9 beads called
9 units.
Yes, 9 units because they are alone. That's why it's called 9 units. Now I am putting my last 1 beads on the 10th house. So it is a 10 beads in their house. All are in their house. It is called 10 units. Okay. Because they are alone. But I want to, it is a full house. I want to buy in the 1 string. If I want to buy in 1 string, suppose I'm putting 1 beads in this string, 1, I'm putting 2, 3, I'm taking 4th bead 1, I'm taking 5th 1 bead, 6th 1 bead, 7th 1 house, 8th 1 house, 9,
and 10.
10 beads. How much beads?
10
Hello?
beads. 10 beads.
7, 8, and 9, and 10. So I have taken 10 beads from all this here. So it is a 10 beads. If it is a 10 unit. Before it's unit. Now it is become a 1 string. It is called 110. What we call 110. It is a 1 string, 1 mala. It is one called 110. Okay. It is called 110. So now see 110. How many beads inside? 10 beads inside. So what is the number name of this unit or this number? Number name is TEN 10. 110 matlab 1 beads, 1 string. Inside there are 10 beads. It is called TEN 10. Now I have another string of 10 beads. I have another string of 10 beads. Inside there are 10 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 beads inside 1 string. So how many strings altogether? How many strings? 2 strings. Yes. How many strings are there? 2 strings.
3.
Means 2 tens. Means 2 tens. What we call, it's a place value of this 2 string is how many? 2 string means we call 2 tens. And inside that, altogether, this one is 10 beads and this one is 10 beads. All together become 20 beads. How many beads?
20.
Yes, it has become 20 beads. 2, 10, 20 beads. So now what is the number name of 20? T, W, E, N, T, Y. 20. T, W, E, N, T, Y. 20. In 20, there are 2 strings. Okay, and proceed to the next. If I have another third number string, so inside that, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Inside this one string, I have another 10 beads and I have another one string. So I'm putting in the third house. Now I have how many string? 1, 2, and 3. How many tens? 3 tens. So if it is 3 tens, 3 string. If it is 3 string, call 3 tens. What we call 3 tens. Inside that 3 tens, how many beads are there? This one is 10. This one is 10. And this one is also 10. 3 times 10. 10, 20, and now 30. 3 tens, 3, 0, 30. So, what is the spelling of or number names of this 30? T-H-I-R-Y. 30. Once again, repeat. 30, 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. Okay, very good. Thank you so much for replying. If I have fourth one string, inside that, how many beads? Again, once again, we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I'm putting in the fourth house. How many string altogether?
4. Yes.
Thank you so much. So how many strings are there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it is called 4 tens. So inside the 4 tens, how many beads are there? 10, 20, 30, 40. So 40 beads are there, called F-O-U-R-T-Y. 40. It is very easy to by heart. All of you know the 4 spelling, 4 number names, F-O-U-R 4. Just you have to put T and Y. So it's become 40. F-O-U-R-T-Y. Repeat it. Repeat behind me.
F.
Hello. F-O-U.
F-O-U-R-T-Y.
40.
40.
Yes. Okay. Now I'm proceed to the next string. If I have another string of 10 beads, come on, let's count. I have 10 or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If I am putting a 10 beads inside one string, so how many all the strings together? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many string? 5 strings of 10 beads. This have 10 beads, this have 10 beads, this also have 10, 10, and 10. So it is 5 times 10
call 5 times 10 called 5 tens. Inside that 5 tens, how many beads are there? 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So it is 50. Okay. So what is the spelling of 50? The number name is of 50, 50. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. Okay. Now it's very easy for you. If I'm taking one more string, it's become now easy for you to counting the string. It's also have 10 beats. Come on, let's start the counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's also 10, have 10 beats in one string. If I'm putting the sixth one house. Okay, I'm putting a sixth one house. So how many string altogether? Come on, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and
4, 5,
6. So it's have 10, 20, it's become 30, it's become 40, it's become 50, and it's become 60. So 6 10, having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strings, 6 tens. What is the place value? It is a 6 10. So 6 10, 6 0, 60. Oh, it's very easy spelling. 6. Do you know, all of you know the spelling of 6? S-I-X. You have to put T-Y only. So it's very become easy to by heart. 60. S-I-X-T-Y. 60. S-I-X-T-Y. 60. Okay. Now I am proceed to 7 number string. It's also have 10 beats. Come on, let's start. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and
10.
10. Yes. This string also have 10 beats. I'm putting on 7th number house. So how many string altogether? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So it is a 7 tens. What is the place value? 7 tens. So it becomes, it have 70 beats. If this one is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. So how many beads altogether? 70 beads.
70.
Okay, it is also very easy to by heart. All of you know the number 7. S, E, V, E, and 7. You have to put only T-Y for 70. Okay, let's start. S, E, V, E, and T-Y.
70.
Yes. Okay. If I'm taking another one string. Okay. This also have how many beats? Come on, let's start. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This also have how many beats? 10 beats. If I'm putting 8th number house. Okay. So how many all together? All the string we counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All together 8 string. How many string? 8 string. It is 8 string they have. It's called 8 tens. How many tens? 8 times tens. 8 times 10. It is how many all beats together? Come on, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80. All together has 80 beats. Yes, it's 80 beats. Now, what is the spelling of 80? E-I-G-H-T. 8. Just you have to put Y only in this 80 spelling. See this, it's very easy for you. All of you know the spelling of 8? Yes. E-R-G-H-T-Y. 80. Oh, yes. Okay. I have one more string for here. Come on, let's start for counting how many beads inside one string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This string also have 10 beads. I'm putting this string over here. Now count all together how many string. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 times the string. That is called 9 tens. What we call 9 tens. 9 times 10. So how many bees altogether? Come on, let's start. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Altogether, how many beads? 9 tens. Call 90 beads. How many beads?
90 beads.
Yes, 90 beads. Now, what is the number name of 90? N-I-N-E. 9. All of you know the spelling of 9. It is so easy to by heart. Just you have to put T-Y. So it's become 90. Okay. I hope you understand this. All the strings of steps of tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. If we are playing the games with the friends, we are just you have the turn of the game. Just we are before that, just whose turn will come, just we are doing 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Just like that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. It is so very easy for you. Now, just wait. I'm showing another things to you. Hope you understand this practical, how I take this beads, which is one string, there are 10 beads. Now I'm showing the pictures of that. So from that, you can very easily more understand how to make 10. How many strings are there in my hand? Let me know how many strings are there in my hand.
2.
2. So 2 string means what we call, how many tens? 2 tens. Means how many inside their beads? 20. How many? And 10. How many? 20. Okay. If I am take 3 strings, so 10, sorry, 1, 2, and 3 strings altogether. So how many beads inside there? 30. Yes, 30. If I take, if I'm take something, lots of string. Come on, let's 40. Count. Yes. No. Not 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let me know how many tens are there.
50.
How many tens are there?
50.
5 tens. 5 tens all. How many beads? 50. How many beads? 50. So what is the spelling of 50? Who will tell me?
F-I-F-T-Y. 50.
Very good. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. Okay. If I am take another beads, next one is what? I'm taking a lots of string. Come on, let's count. 1,
1, 2,
2,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
and 6.
6.
If I'm taking a 6 string, how many beads are there inside that? 60. What is the spelling of 60?
S-I-X-T-Y. 60.
Wow, very nice. So today we learned step of 10 of this 10 and unit place. So you have to do in the homework, just draw the string, 10 beads of 110, two strings for it. 1 string for 10, 2 string for 20, 3 strings for 30. So you have to do that and write the number names of 10 to 90. Okay, hope you enjoy my class and you understand very well the place value of units and 10. Okay, so all of you, bye. Thank you so much.